This is Rafa from Brazil, striking again. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please don't waste your time anymore. That's the best way for you to get excellent information about trading experience, forex business, and interesting tips for your daily routine. Okay, so please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and well, relax. Let's just make a good and deep analysis based on our triple cross system. We have been released that, well, the last 2 weeks, and the results have been amazing, absolutely amazing. It's very nice to see how you guys, how you traders that receive the videos and are part of our signal group have been very pleased to collect those pips. The system, you have been giving excellent feedbacks about the system, so I'm very proud of it. Okay, so let's just make an analysis over here. Let's begin with the AUD CAD. Look, we have a beautiful entry here. Let's just remember that we have to look for pairs that are related to that time session. Okay, so AUD CAD, it's a good pair for you to trade on the Asian session. The same with the AUD pairs, with the NZD pairs, with the JPY pairs. Okay, of course we have the majors. Okay, the majors pair, the USD JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, because they are big currencies. Okay, so when they have this kind of pairs, you can trade it, but you should be looking for good strategies with pairs that are related to that time session. Okay, you're not it's not mandatory, you're not obliged to do that, but it's interesting to look for pairs because we are gonna have more volume, we're gonna have more volatility. Okay, because of course we have a tendency to trade more often the pairs that are from our time session. Okay, so that's what happens here. So we have around 11 a.m. this beautiful entry over here, and you can see how it performs beautifully. Okay, it would be around 30 pips. Okay, that's the cross that would be your exit point. Okay, so we have this beautiful entry here on the AUD CAD. AUD USD, we have a good entry as well. It was around here. Okay, but we should be very alert because we need at least one background in our favor. Okay, so this wouldn't be a good entry for us, and it proved correctly because we would be we have the triple cross around here, we have the ADX around here, so we would have a trade that we probably gonna exit in just a small profit, a profit of 13.5 pips. Okay, and why is that, Rafa? Because it was a counter trend. Okay, it was a trade that was not a trend trade, so we should look for trend trades, trades that are in conjunction with the trend, like this one. Okay, this one was a good trade. Look at this. Okay, this was a beautiful trade, look at that, over 100 pips, and it was absolutely a trade by the books. We had the triple cross around here, we have the moving average splitting from each other. Okay, we have the ADX pointing up, we have in this case a sell trade, a pink background, so we took the trade and we reached 105 pips. Okay, it was a beautiful entry that we have last Friday. For now, what we should be looking for, we should be looking for another beautiful trade. We have a cross here. It was not the perfect cross. Okay, it was not the perfect cross, but we are not allowed to trade because ADX is pointing down. ADX was blue which means that it was a buy trend for now, and now it's coming down, and look how it changed its colors. Okay, so it is indicating you that the uptrend is no longer in control. For now we have a downtrend, and let's wait, but I wouldn't trade this pair for now because AUD time session it's now over. Okay, so let's just browse the pairs. Okay, Bitcoin, I don't like to show you Bitcoins around here, but you can look for trades. It's absolutely up to you. We have CAD Chief, CAD JPY, nothing very interesting around here. Okay, it was a very messy beginning of the week. Look how the moving averages are showing you that it is not a good time to trade. The ADX, it's below the 25, which means that it's not an excellent opportunity now for you to trade. It's absolutely with no direction confirmed. Chief JPY, let's browse around those pairs. Chief, not very interesting as well. Nothing very nice for me to look here. Euro JPY, that was a good pair for you to trade. Remember that we should look for trades that are related to that time session. Okay, so Euro JPY was an interesting pair for you to trade around the Asian session, right? So you should be looking for good trades with Euro JPY. Well, right now my internet connection is not very good. I am terribly apologize for you. NZD-JPY was an interesting trade as well. This is a totally Asian time session. This is very important for me to pay attention. Okay, we need to understand that we should be looking for trades that are related to that time session. Okay, so the time session, that is the best moment for you to trade. We're gonna have more volume, we're gonna have more volatility, where the indicators are gonna be performing, it's around the Asian session. Okay, we have this beautiful entry around here. Okay, we have the triple cross around this moment over here. Then the moving average splitting from each other. We have a ADX pointing up, and we had a maybe around here 30 pips trade. Okay, let's take a look at the Euro JPY that I was trying to show you. It's interesting to understand that it's not a currency that is absolutely related to the Asian session, like NZD-JPY, like AUD-JPY, but we could have interesting opportunities. That's not the case because on the Asian session it was very difficult to understand, and for now we have a good moment for you to jump into this trade. Look at that. We have a triple cross around here. It wasn't a perfect triple cross, okay, but we have a green background, we have positive territory, we have ADX pointing up, and you should be around here to place your trade. Okay, for now you're just on a small profit of 7.6.5 pips, but you should wait for more. Okay, you should wait for more. You should wait because probably this price action will test this moving average here. Okay, the Tabajara moving average, and it's going to come up. Okay, that's how we measure that we are on an uptrend. We have a double bottom here, and now we have a upper bottom, which means that it's higher low. Okay, so maybe we're gonna have a lower low around here, which is gonna be a higher low regarding this last low. So we're probably gonna be on an uptrend, right? Let me see if we have another thing here for you to show. Well, not very interesting. Remember, today is Monday. Monday usually it's a slow day on the market. So if you find a good interesting opportunity, yes, trade, but probably you're not gonna have interesting situations for now. Okay, let's take a look at the AUD JPY. It's a difficult moment here because we didn't have a very defined moment around here. The 4 hour is right now on positive territory because we have this up movement over here. But for now, I wouldn't advise you for you to trade because ADX is changing colors. Probably we're gonna have a triple cross around here, and then we're gonna have a up movement. Okay, all of those situations were on the 15 minutes, but of course I strongly advise you to trade on the 1 hour time frame. It's the best time frame for you to trade because it's a more stable time frame, because it can give us good opportunities for swing trades, which is the best kind of trade that you can take. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I strongly advise you to click on the like button. It's very important for you to support the channel. If you're not part of our family, the Forex Rafa family, Forex for Life, it's very easy. You just have to click on the link below and make part of our Telegram group. If you need a mentorship, please drop me an email or send me a message on Telegram. And if you would like to make part of our Signet group, which is absolutely rocking, it's a very small fee that you're absolutely gonna pay easily monthly. Okay, well, don't miss your chance. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.